say she want Netflix and chill. So I chat to get even money. If you follow you no Kelly start. You go chop breakfast and knock at. Can you see the pool and knock at?
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious. If you're new here, if you're seeing this gorgeous, beautiful face for the first time, please don't make it your last, okay? By clicking on that subscribe button, like this video, of course, leave your cool lovely comments down below, and ensure you join the family, okay? You do all the good stuff. Yeah, so today's a new day. Today's Thursday, the 12th of May. And how are you guys doing? Good afternoon, Nigerian time. Or good evening, I don't know. I think so. But anyways, how's it going? Today makes it a week Nigerian time that I came to Canada. While yesterday made it a week Canadian time that I landed here. So today I'm going to downtown. I have an appointment. This will be like the first time I'll be going to downtown. I've never been to downtown before, and I'll be taking the train and the bus, which I don't think I've taken the train before, but the bus I think I have. Yeah, so I'll be taking the train and the bus. And here in Calgary, it's quite difficult to, navigate the transport system basically. So yeah, I don't know how that will go, but I hope it turns out well. I hope I don't get lost. I hope I'm able to get to where I'm going to on time, because in this place they work with appointments, right? They are really strict with their time. Nothing like African man time and all of that. So I just hope I'm able to meet up. So I just woke up basically, and I want to go freshen up and start heading out there, because it's going to take me like an hour 30 minutes to get there, of course via public transport. But if I was driving or if I'm using an Uber, it's going to be like 20 something minutes, not even up to 30 minutes. But Uber is so expensive, you guys. So for now, while I can, I'm going to take the public transport, so at least I can even learn how to use it, right? Yeah, so my friend already like briefed me and everything. I've downloaded the app, so at least I know how it works. I know what bus stop to stop, like, and everything. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. I won't waste time in downtown. I'll see you guys on my way there, basically. So
Dancing that fire. Let's see how you move, darling. Oh, baby, these looks are flawless. Wanna know all your secrets hiding. I wanna be part of your life, yeah.
my love, so I'm back from downtown. Came back like an hour ago, actually. Yeah. So what I went for was okay, went pretty well. But you guys, I missed my way because like I mentioned earlier, I don't really know. This is the first time I took a train, so I don't really know how it works, right? I'm still learning and everything. So after the train stopped me in downtown, I found it difficult to locate where I was going to exactly. Even with the Google map, it wasn't still easy. I don't know, but I had to ask someone. You guys, people here are quite nice. I had to ask someone who was helpful and helped me, like directed me to where I was going to. So yeah, I got there, did all I had to do. Then when it was time for me to leave, I could not still navigate the train station, but I finally did, and now I'm back home. And I'll be stepping out soon in a few minutes. I want to quickly grab something to eat. Yeah. I want to grab something to eat. So yeah, I thought I should just come to give you guys the update. And you guys, it is so cold today, hence I'm wearing this. I want something different to downtown, and cold almost killed me. So I don't want to take chances, because this Calgary weather is so bipolar. So I guess I'll see you guys soon. Ew. Let's go.
Have my reefer louder than a speaker. Got my nieces hanging with the beaters. if you ever found it, better keep them. 37 cameras for the sneakers. Going out like all the been single. Next in the cop, I can't wait to mistreat them. Forcing your hoe, I can't wait to mislead them.
Hi loves, how are you doing? It's a new day. This is like past 5, like the day is almost over. Anyways, I want to film a video. So basically here it still gets bright up till 8 p.m. 9. So yeah, I have time. Just finished having my bath. I want to do my makeup and film a video. So I'll be going out later, right? So I just wanted to use one stone to kill 2 birds. That's how you say it, right? Yes. So I'm going to put you guys like time lapse when I'm doing my makeup, like a montage kind of thing. Nothing new. I already have lashes on, so it shouldn't take time. So yeah, these are my these are my makeup products and brushes. So let's get to work. First of all, I'll do my hair first before I start my makeup. So guys, this is the finished look. Yeah, something light as usual. So I want to dress up and film the video before I head out. So I'll see you guys when I'm done filming the video, okay? I'm having runny nose. Oh, I didn't even spray my face. So yeah, the bit is done, and I'll catch you guys. Bye. So I'm done filming the video. I'm ready to go out now. So this is what my outfit is looking like. I'm wearing a skirt. You guys have seen this skirt before, and heels. You guys, this whole place is a mess, which I will arrange when I'm back. So yeah, I'm going to a place called Fire and Ice, I think. I'm exhausted. Makeup is still looking fresh. Yeah, so I'm waiting for my Uber. It's almost here, so I'll see you guys when I head out. Bye.
My girl say she want Netflix and chill, so I just get give her money. If you fall in love, belly start, you go chop breakfast and knock out. Can you see the pool and not catch? I'm not faking this, no focus. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. Happiness, if I broke my business, I'ma try not to like all I get for the night. Happiness, if I broke my business, I'ma try not to like all I get for the night.
It's the night after. You guys, last night was epic. Nigerians can party, sha. God. The way Nigerians dominated that club, like we like to show ourselves everywhere we go to. Why? Like it's in our nature basically. Because I had so much fun yesterday. Like I had so much fun. I can't even I'm not even going to come here and pretend or come here and lie. I can't even lie. I had so much fun yesterday. Yesterday was a blast. I mean, if I wasn't Nigerian, I felt somehow. Yeah, because I really felt for the white people there. Although the DJ played other songs, but he kept giving us Nigerian songs back to back. God. Like, I don't think I valued our Nigerian artists so much like I did yesterday. Like, those guys are trying. Like, the DJ wasn't out of music. He was just giving us hot, like, it was really nice. It was super nice. I had so much fun. I enjoyed it. And the sad thing was that apparently the club closes by 2. I think everything closes by 2 here. I don't know if it's the law from the government or something, but at 2 they had to stop, and that was when the party was just starting. I mean, typical Nigeria now. You know, people leave the club by 6 a.m., 5 a.m. Then in Lagos, when you're going to work early in the morning, you'll be seeing people, you see cars queue in front of Quilocks. Meanwhile, you're going to work, so I was thinking it was going to be like that, but I had fun. I really enjoyed my time. I really enjoyed myself at that place. Like, Fire and Ice, what's the hype actually? Really nice place. So yeah, today I'm going for brunch. A friend of mine invited me for brunch today, so that's what we're doing today. They said no African man time, and it starts at 2, so this is like past 10. So I'm trying not to be doing the African man time thing, so I will try my best to be there on time and all that. So that's it basically. I'm exhausted from yesterday, even though I've slept really well. Like, I've slept for a couple of hours, but yesterday was so fun, you guys. Yesterday was fun. Clubbing abroad is not bad. It's really nice. The Nigerian music made it so nice. Made it worth my... I mean, it made it really, really nice. So yeah, that's the update basically, and I will see you guys at the brunch. So bye. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day, and the brunch I went for yesterday went so well. Like, I got to meet so many people, like beautiful families and everything. Like, I had a swell time basically. I enjoyed every bit of it. It really went well. You guys, I don't know what these things are called, hairs or something. They're always everywhere. Let me see if I can show you guys. So as I was saying, the brunch I went for yesterday, it was so nice. It went really well. I stayed there till like in the evening, late in the evening, before I go back home, and I didn't have time to talk to you guys, so that's why I'm here now. I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Yeah, because I don't think I'm really doing anything that I want to show you guys. Nothing interesting like that basically, but if something pops up, I'll definitely bring out my phone to like make a video, to vlog basically. And so yeah, please, if you're not subscribed to me, please ensure you do that. Okay, join this family. I want you here, we want you here. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share with your loved ones, share with your friends, family, yeah, and leave your lovely comments down below. Bye.